Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you the difference between the live chat component and the live chat trigger. So how does it works? Let's take an example. You have created a particular chat flow and in the last you have added this component of live chat. So whenever the customer will come on this automated live chat option, you or your team members will receive a live chat notification on the platform and you can start the conversation with your customer. And make sure that while using this component, you are not adding any sort of message, like any sort of end chat or any next message over here. And the team member needs to transfer the conversation from the inbox to the bot or to any specific flow. So yes, this is something that you have to keep in mind. Next thing that we have in the settings is the trigger, that you have an option of bot trigger where the live chat can be set. So now let's take an example that the conversation is going between the bot and the customer, but the customer is not satisfied with the responses that the chatbot is giving. So now customer types a particular keyword that you have put here, live chat, 0, 1, support, anything you can write here and just press enter. So during the conversation with the customer, if the customer types this particular word, you and your team member again will receive a request of a live chat and anyone can take the conversation from there. So this is the basic difference, that in the flow, the component will only trigger when the customer completes the whole conversation. But the trigger can be initiated in the starting, in the middle, in the end. It depends upon customer. So this is the main difference between the trigger and chat flow component, the live chat component that we discussed. That's all about this video. In case if you have any query, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.